Hey everyone, Jamie here. Today I'll be showing you how to do the FMC Preflight on X-Plane 11 Mobile. In this tutorial I'll be performing a flight from Phoenix to Chicago Midway. So without further ado, let's hop on into the aircraft. First thing you can see after you power your aircraft is the index page. Then you click on status, then you'd see your nav data and your flight sim version. Then you go into route page, then you'll enter in your departure airport. In this case, Phoenix Sky Harbor is our departure airport. Then we'll enter in our arrival airport, which is Chicago Midway. Let that load. Then we'll enter in our flight number, Southwest 1598. And then execute it. So after that is done, you go into the departure index. We'll be taking off runway 08 on the 4P1 departure and transition to Albuquerque.
American 1262 Heavy. The left side is available. I have to back to you just about 5 miles.
So after the departure has been programmed, we'll be putting in our en route waypoints. I'll speed this up so you're not bored. After that, we'll enter in our arrival. We'll be coming from the ND4 via the Kirksville VOR. We're going to be expecting to land on runway 31 center. After the start has been programmed, we will enter in our instrument approach. So we will be doing the ILS 31 center. Our transition will be hills. Once that is done, check your route on the legs page to see if there's any discontinuities. If you see vectors, keep it there because you'll be expecting vectors from the air traffic controller. So you'll be bearing that certain heading. Once it's all good, you may execute your route. So now it will be shown in your MFD. On the EFIS, you can select the plan option, so you can step through your legs for your flight plan to see if it's all good from there too.
Thank you very much. Good afternoon.
So once that is all done, we'll be programming VNAV. The first thing we'll do is select our V2 plus 20 speed plus our airport elevation plus 1000.
American 1260 Roger. Victor, left on Alpha, 0.9, Delta 31.
For cruise, we will be cruising at flight level 370 as shown in our flight plan. And we'll be cruising at a speed of Mach 0.80, or 80% the speed of sound. And also, do not forget, we have to put in the climb speed. So, our climb speed will be 0.78 Mach at 280 knots, as you can see here. So we'll just put that in. Cruise is all set. Now we'll put in our descent profile. It'll be 0.78 Mach at 280 knots. The approach angle can be your discretion, but I choose to do 3 degrees. And that's all. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Hope you found it helpful.